Good morning children. Now today we start chapter 7 factorization of algebraic expression. Now first we discuss the factors of a monomials. How to write the factors of the given monomials. For example 24. Now 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 3 and this is the factor of 24 and algebraic terms 18x square y square 12x cube y and 24x square y cube. When all these terms factorize, here we get 2 into 3 into 3 into x y into y. Now same process, now 2 into 2 and 3x x y. Now 2 into 2 into 2 3 into x into y. Now taking the SCF of the all these terms, SCF means the number in all the common in all the terms, that is 2 3 x y. When we multiply all these numbers, 6x square y. Now here we follow the SCF method. We factorize the given questions. Now next thing, factorization. What do you mean by factorization? The technique of finding factors of an expression and writing the expression as a product of its factor is called factorization. It means that how to solve the factors where we use the technique that is called the factorization. Now we solve exercise 7.1. Factorize question number 1, 12x minus 30. Now first term, second term, when we see here SCF of these two terms, 6y because 6 divided by 12 and 6 also divided by 30. Now 6 is the common. This is called the common. You have to learn it, the very important the term common. 6 is the common. When this 6 divided 12, that is 2, and x minus 6 again divided 30, that is 5. This is the answer. Next question, 15x square minus 5y. Here 5 is the common. Why? Because 5 is divided by both the terms. 5 common. 5 divided by 15, that is 3x square minus 5 divided by 5y, that is y. This is the answer. Next question number 3rd, and 9m square plus 81m cube now is equal to, common is 9 and m square is here, m cube is here, the SCF is m square. Now n m square, when these number divided in these, 9m square divided by 9m square 1 plus, and again this divided into this 81, that is 9m. This is the answer. Question number 4, 36x square y cube minus 54 x cube y square. Now here 18 is the common and x square is here, x cube is here, the x square is common, y cube is here, y square is here, y square is common. When these number divided by all these terms, so here we get 2y minus 3x. Next 6 questions, minus 6 minus 10t plus 12t square. Here we taking the common minus 2 because all these number divided by 2. When minus minus plus, 2 3s are minus minus plus, 2 5s are t minus plus minus 2 6s are 6t. This is the answer. Now z plus 5 plus 7, z plus 5. Here this is the one terms and this is the another terms. Z plus 5 is the common. When this z plus 5 divided first term, this is the cancel out. Here we get only z, and z plus 5 is also cancel out. Plus here we get plus 7. Next questions. 5 10 question number 10 5a square t minus p whole square minus 10 t minus p whole square. Here 5 is the common and t minus p square is the common, because here both t minus p is here, t minus p is here. Now when these number divided by this 5 cancel out, t minus p square, t minus p cancel out, here you will get only a square, and minus sign is here. 5 divided by 10, that is 2, t minus p square cancel out. Question number 11, a p plus q minus b p plus q. Again same process, this is the p plus q is the common and cancel out, here we get a, and this is the also cancel out, minus b is the answer. Question number 12, x plus 2y whole square minus 4x minus 8y. X plus 2y whole square minus, here we pairing the number 4x plus 8y. Why? Because minus plus minus. X plus 2y whole square minus, taking the common 4, minus 4 is the common, 4 cancel, here we get x, and plus is here 4 2s are 8, 2y, and again we take the x plus 2y is the common in these terms. Now this is divided by this, here this is the square, this is the 1, so only we left x plus 2y, and this also cancel, minus 4 is the answer. Question number 14, AB p minus 1 minus AC p minus 1. Again we take p minus 1 common, and A also common, so therefore cancel out, here we get B minus and C, because A cancel, p minus 1 is also cancel. 16 question number, AT plus BT plus BC plus AC. Now AT and last AC pairing plus BT and third pairing, taking the common, A common, T plus C, and BB common, T plus C, again taking the common, or we write A plus B is here, T plus C is the common. This is the answer. Question number 18, A minus B 2b plus 3 plus A minus B 2b minus 3. Now A minus B and 2b plus 3 is the A minus B common, and this is the cancel out, 2b plus 3, and A minus B minus cancel out, here you get 2b minus 3. Now A minus B 2b plus 3 plus 2b open the bracket minus 3. A minus B, A minus same, 2b plus 3 or minus 3 cancel out, here we get A minus B and A minus B and 2b and 2b, that is 4b. Now question number 25, xy plus yz plus xz square plus z cube, pairing first and second, third and fourth. Now y common, x plus z is left, and here z square is the common, z square cancel out, x and z square cancel out, z. Now next again taking the common, x plus z here. Now x plus z cancel out, y x plus z cancel out, z square. This is the answer. Now you have to write all the questions in your copy, and next I will complete it in your next video. Thank you.